Zahra with the number 037. Today, I would like to present my article review. The article that I review are related to English language learning and student motivation, learning strategies, technology, and digital tools in education. In this review, I will explain the main point, strengths, weakness, and the benefit of each article. Through this article, we can see how language learning can be improved through motivation, active participation, technology, and meaningful classroom activities. Okay, now let's start with the first article. Okay, for the first article is how digital games impact student motivation in science, meta-analysis by Widyanti. The point is, this article discusses how digital games influence students' motivation in science learning. The study found that digital games can have a positive impact because they make the learning process more interesting, interactive, and enjoyable for students. And the weakness of this article is still small, and the result may be different depending on the learning context and student background. And the strength of this article is that it uses a meta-analysis method, so the findings are based on many previous studies, not only one research. This makes the result broader and more reliable. And the benefit of this article is helps teachers understand that digital games can be used as an alternative learning media to increase students' interest and motivation in science lesson. So for the next article is the impact of educational games on learning outcome, evidence from a meta-analysis by Geo Penren. The point of this article is that educational games, especially gamification, can improve students' learning, achievement, and motivation. And the weakness is the impact may be different depending on the game type, student level, and learning context. Also, not all educational games give the impact on student learning outcomes. And the strength of this article is that it is a meta-analysis method, so the findings are based on many previous studies. This makes the result broader and more reliable. And the benefit of this article is helps teacher understand that educational games and gamification can be useful strategies to improve student motivation and learning achievement. Okay, for the next article is effects of digital games-based learning in STEM education on student motivation, a systematic literature reviewed by Jelena Elik. The point of this article is explain that digital games-based learning can increase students' motivation and engagement in STEM education. And the weakness of this article is based on a literature review, so it does not collect direct data from students. The result also depend on the quality and focus of the previous studies reviewed. And the strength of this article is that it reviews many studies related of digital games-based learning in STEM education, so it gives a broader understanding and of how games can support student motivation. And the benefit of this article is help teachers understand that digital games can be used as an interesting learning method to make STEM subject more enjoyable and motivation for students. Okay, for the next article is Student Motivation in a Teacher Learning Groups by Amy Freeling Chanter. The point of this article is explain that teacher learning groups can be increase students' motivation through autonomy, peer support, personal goals, and an informal learning atmosphere. And the weakness of this article is only involved 55 students from 4 Dutch primary teachers training institutes, so the findings may not represent all teacher education students in different countries or contexts. The strength of this article is that it uses mixed methods design, combining quantitative and qualitative data. This gives a deeper understanding of how teacher learning groups influence student motivation. And the benefit of this article is helps teacher education programs understand how learning groups can increase student motivation, reduce feeling of isolation, and improve collaboration among future teachers. So for the next article is assessing Kahoot's impact on EFL student learning outcomes by Alharti Saleh. The point of this article is explain that Kahoot can improve EFL student learning outcomes, motivation, engagement, and classroom participation. And the weakness of this article is Kahoot depends on technology such as internet connection and student device, and students may focus too much on competition. And the strength of this article is the article directly studies Kahoot in EFL learning and also explores student perception. And the benefit of this article is help English teachers understand that Kahoot can be used as an interesting digital tool to support learning outcomes and create a more active classroom atmosphere. For the next article is a study of student motivation for English language learning, instrumental motivation, and integrative motivation by Prapun Sengkul. The point of this article is this article discusses student instrumental and integrative motivation in learning English and shows that instrumental motivation is slightly higher. And the weakness of this article is the study only focused on grade 11 from students from one Thai government secondary school, so the result might not represent students from other schools or countries. And the strength of this article is the article used a questionnaire based on Gardner motivation theory, so it has a clear theoretical foundation for measuring students' motivation. Benefit of this article is help teacher understand that students learn English for participal goals such as education and career, and also for personal interest in culture and communication. The benefit of this article is help teacher design more interactive online language learning activities using test-based learning principle. So for the next is interconnection of all articles. This article shows that English language learning becomes more effective when students are motivated, actively involved, and supported by meaningful learning strategies, both inside and outside the classroom. And for maturity of student motivation are motivation plays an important role in student success in learning English. Students learn better when they have clear goals, interests, and support from learning environment. Motivation can come from career goals, personal interests, peer support, and enjoyable learning activities. And they are in the article 1, 3, 4, and 9. And for the maturity of technology and game-based learning, are digital games, educational games, Kahoot, and virtual learning can make learn more interactive and enjoyable. Technology helps students become more engaged and active in the learning process. However, technology should support learning, not replace on the teacher's role. And they are in the article of 1, 2, 3, 8, and 10. And for learning strategies beyond traditional classroom are students can improve their English through reading strategies, newspaper reading, writing activities, and text-based learning. This article shows that language learning is not only about classroom instruction, but also shows practice, participant, and real-life use. And the last is meaningful activities help students become more confident and independent learners. They are in the article of 5, 6, 7, and 10. Okay, overall, the 10 articles are connected because they all emphasize motivation, active participation, technology integration, and meaningful learning strategies to improve student English learning experiences. Okay, I think that's all from me. Thank you for your listen. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
I just had to let you know you're